We're here at the Marijuana Business Expo.
It's actually really well done.
We're over here at Boom, which has an excellent product, and I think you should definitely come and see them. They have some of the best products in the world. So stay with us. We're going to show you some more. There's even garments made out of hemp. I've never seen so many industries get spun out of I think we're going to try to go to the next hall. Remember, I said this exploded again this year. It's now up to 3 halls. And if you know the convention center in Las Vegas, holy shit. Let's go this way. I want to show you everything that's going on this side. More grow lights. There you go. You can spin your water. Does your compost. Synergy agricultural product. Hydrofarm. You may want to try to get some of this stuff. They have some of the best in the industry.
Nobody likes using the credit card.
Here's all your filtration system and also your watering system, which you really need. If you don't have a good watering system in your plant, they're not going to grow as well as they could. So let's take a look over here and we'll show you what else they have. Little puppy. Going for the walk?
No, I know.
Okay, it's getting a little crazy. So, O2 Vape is an excellent company that I think you should check out. They have many different products. We'll go down the line real quick and give you free advertising. We're broadcasting live. So O2 has some of the best products, I believe, in the industry. Been around since
7 years now.
7 years. And us old guys have been around 70 years, never thought I'd ever come to this. Thank you. And if I could tell you what the smell is like here, it's outstanding. Futurola always has the absolute best booth. It's their great stuff. Every year they seem to outdo each other in what they're using for their filling. send it back to you in the studio. Here it shakes the hell out of it. Back to you in the studio for JT Illegal reporting live from the marijuana business in Las Vegas convention.